Hello everybody, how about a John Deere 21 SP update? I've got 3 out of 4 wheels replaced. I found the 2 front ones. I found a left rear in a slightly different design, but just got to take what you can get. That's it. So we'll go ahead and swap that out. Very difficult process, I think. Yep, that should come out. Clips out. Get that. Another washer. So I just gotta pay attention to this. Doesn't appear to be anything on that side. Go ahead and put some oil on that. And a little bit in there, just for a good time. And there that is. That one went on first. That one went on second. And that one went on last. That little clip. Got a little bit more play in it than the original. May have enough gas in it to do a cold start. Let's come in for a look here at the progress. So these both have fresh wheels on them. And the front one's fresh. That one I'm still looking for. Guess we can see if it'll start. I found a replacement knob for the height adjustment. And I need to go up 1 notch. Because the grass is growing a little bit taller now, and I've been kind of scalping it at this level. So we'll go up to the next notch. It's just that difficult. Don't have to do each individual wheel, so that's pretty nice. Oil level is staying good. Maybe just a fraction low. Nope, it's absolutely perfect. Right at full. So that's excellent. We'll do the old cold start trick on these without a primer bulb. See what happens. Nothing. Nothing. May need some gas in it. It's a 3-puller. So it seems to be working pretty well. I'll go ahead and cut the grass with it while I got it out. So once again, 1982 John Deere 21 SP update. Thank you for watching.